Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to enable and view the WordPress revision history. In this guide, you will learn how to access your WordPress account and navigate through the dashboard to manage your website revisions efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the option to log in. Clicking the login option will lead you into the secure login process. After initiating the login process, you will be presented with a choice to authenticate using your preferred method. Select the option that allows you to continue using a prominent search engine account. At this point, you should choose the account that you have associated with your WordPress site. This method simplifies the login process and enhances security by using familiar credentials. Once you have successfully authenticated, the WordPress dashboard will load, providing you with a plethora of tools and options to manage your website. Within the dashboard, locate the Quick Links section. This section offers convenient shortcuts to various parts of your site management system. From here, select the option to edit your site. Clicking on this option will redirect you to the site editor, which serves as the central hub from where you can customize the look and functionality of your website. The site editor is designed to be intuitive, providing you with immediate access to crucial editing tools. With your site editor open, look towards the top right corner of the interface where there is a settings button. Activating this settings option will open up additional menu selections that allow you to modify a range of configurations for your site. Once you have clicked on the settings button, direct your focus to a tab labeled Template. The Template tab organizes all of the elements related to the layout and design of your site into one streamlined view, making it easier for you to manage structural components. Within the Template tab, you will find a link dedicated to revisions. Clicking on the revisions link is the key step for accessing the complete history of changes made to your website. This interactive section displays a timeline of revisions, detailing every save point that has been created during the process of updating your site. The revision history is an essential feature that enables you to review previous iterations and retrieve earlier versions of your work. This can be particularly useful if you find that recent changes have not produced the desired results, or if mistakes have been made during the editing process. Once you have entered the revision section, you can carefully examine each recorded save point displayed. This allows you to understand the progression of modifications that have been applied over time. Whether you are troubleshooting issues or simply reviewing the evolution of your website's design, this feature provides you with a clear record of every update. By utilizing the revision history, you can effectively revert to a previous state of your website should the need arise, ensuring that you retain complete control over your content and design choices. Following these instructions will empower you with the ability to manage and review the evolution of your website through WordPress revision history. Every action taken during this process has been designed to reinforce security, ease of use, and comprehensive accessibility of your site's development timeline. Enjoy your enhanced control of your website, and thank you for following this detailed guide.